Hi, I'm Ken Clark, editor of Home Channel News, and this is New Product Showcase, the fastest new product show on the web. A quick word from our sponsor, the National Hardware Show, coming to Las Vegas, May 7th to 9th. Roll the clip. Here's the Arrow TruTac forward action staple gun. It sells for about $25. See, that's the wrong way. That's the right way. Forward action. The stapler turns the classic staple gun design on its head by reversing the lever position. The gun shoots T50 staples that load easily, and it gives you the mechanical advantage and ergonomics of forward action. Thanks for watching New Product Showcase. For more, visit nationalhardwareshow.com.